morning, everyone. So today is Tuesday, our science. So I'm your teacher again, teacher Eden. We are on our fourth quarter. We are on our week 2. Our lesson for today is all about safety outside home. So, I have a question. Okay, outside the protection and comfort of your home, how do you make sure that you are safe and comfortable? So what are the factors that you should guard against in order to stay safe and comfortable? So let's find out the safety outside the home. Okay, so listen very carefully. Okay, children. Okay. A home. So this is a home or a house. Okay? So stay safe and protected when outdoors. So a street. Okay, this is a street, children. Okay. So, we women are lucky that we have a good home where on earth we have been provided with all the resources that we need in order to live in safety and comfort. Young children like you are already taught in school how to live properly. What to watch out for, what to value and care for, what happened to protect and conserve. For example, you are taught that the streets are not safe at night for young boys and girls like you. Children your age should not go out without at least one of your parents or trusted adult accompanying you. Okay. Okay, children, this is the clothes. So, clothing is and gear for protection. It is important to wear proper clothing and footwear when you go out of your home or house. For example, it gets so hot after 9 in the morning all the way until mid-afternoon. So your body should be protected with proper clothing. Never leave home without umbrella. Whenever as protection from the sun, scorching heat, and protection from unexpected rains. Children like you should have a waterproof jacket with hood always handy for protection both from the cold and from the rain. A lightweight raincoat is also good. When not in the school uniform, what kind or clothes should you wear? What is good material for clothing? Fit to wear year-round in a tropical country like the Philippines. Okay, I have a question. I will read it in the twice. When not in school uniform, what kind of clothes should you wear? What is good material for clothing fit to wear year-round in a tropical country like the Philippines? What's the answer? Okay, cotton is the best. It is practical to wear a long sleeve polo shirt because while cotton as material is cool to wear during summer, long sleeves serve as protection from the cold with rains and from the sun when it beats up earth's grounds. This way you will not get sunburn nor will your skin suffer from other bad effects or too much heat from the sun. You can always roll up the sleeves when you feel warm, so your get up is not only wear safe but comfortable too and fit for any conditions of the day. Okay, so what watch out for while on the street? So I will listen very carefully what to watch out for while on the street. Okay, so listen. So number 1 is this. Watch out for open manholes on flooded streets. Watch out for the slippery staircase and street. Remember, this slippery when wet. Watch out for the traffic lights and oncoming vehicles. Watch out for the tablered electric posts during typhoons or windy days. When live electrical wires touch water or only metallic objects, whoever comes in contact will be electrocuted. Okay. Watch out for the posts or structures that may topple near you during the typhoons and other calamities. Stay within safe distance from the desk, but remain watchful of other possible dangers like approaching vehicles as you back down. When there is lightning, stay away from the tall, pointed, and metallic objects, open fields, and deserted roads. These tend to attract lightning. Watch out for the stray animals that may be rapid or wild. This will save you from being beaten. Watch out for the sharp or any protruding object on the road. This will keep you from the stumbling and getting hurt as you walk. Watch out for the suspicious looking characters that seem to take unusual interest in you. Ask your parents to tell you more about this. Okay, so that's all about what to do or what to watch out for while on the street. Okay, remember children, if you go out in the outdoors or you want to go to the street, please be careful every time. Okay? Okay, so do you understand our lesson, children? Okay, very good. Thank you for your listening. If you have questions regarding to our lesson, feel free to chat me on my messenger. Thank you.